Welcome to Centerspace Homes. My name is Robert, and today's video is my dryer is not drying. The number one reason why your dryer is not drying is the lint trap is full of lint. Number one, always clean before or after each use. Also, once in a while, rinse your lint trap with water to remove excess detergent that accumulates on your screen. Another cause of your dryer not drying is an overloaded dryer. Helpful tip, keep the clothes below half, because an overpacked dryer, you'll never have a chance to remove all that moisture from your clothes and to dry them. The newer style of dryers also have predetermined settings. So what I will demonstrate is the predetermined settings. So as you can see, you have 30 minutes, medium for temp, dryness level less, and wrinkle shield. Close your dryer and turn on your dryer. Let those predetermined settings, let them do the job. Okay? So what you want to do, if you still find your dryer is still not drying your clothes, please reach out to the Centerspace service team and we'll send somebody up to do maintenance on your dryer and to take a look. You know, there could be a clog further down the line. We have tools to take care of that. Thank you for watching. We hope that you found this video informative. If you have any more questions or if your dryer is still not working, please reach out to us and have a nice day. Thank you.